Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a shorts in YouTube. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on YouTube app. Okay, then tap on plus icon, click on shorts and tap on add option. Just click, scroll down and choose these videos. Okay, tap on this video and click done option. Just click, processing. Okay, and add sounds and tick mark. Tap on next, processing. Just wait few seconds and add your caption shorts and upload. That's all. Create a shorts in YouTube. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.